folks? Tech Bravo back at you again from the shed quarters. Look, I've been taking a break on my laser to finish up my 3D printer, and I have it the way I want it. I've gone over some of that stuff. I've got a custom mount and a custom lens holder for the camera, extruder, flag, the extruder mount, the filament guide so it doesn't engage that rod and get chewed up. I've got this done so that I can level the bed easy using the dial indicator. I got the bearing thing all printed out so that this thing will ride on bearings. I'm just waiting on the bearings, but all of that's done. Trying to think what else I printed. Of course, the large wheels. There's some laser products I've been working on, aluminum business cards and some coasters and herb grinders, a knife, stuff like that. And of course my infamous plexiglass knuckles. I'm sorry, paperweight. It's a novelty item. And there's a little Punisher keyring. So I'm getting back on the lasers again, and here's why. Got all this stuff. Oh yeah, forgot that. Octoprint. This is bad stuff right here. I like it. I got to thinking about the Octoprint and this Cohesion 3D Mini, and Jim Fong, I hooked up with him and he gave me some ins and outs. He actually ran Octoprint on C3D Mini, I'm assuming on a K40. So that's what I've done. I had another Pi sitting around, so I'm running Octoprint now, so I can upload my G-code directly to the SD card on the Octoprint, and it outputs my laser job. And it gives me, you know how I like cameras, the cameras, and I also got the camera for the printer. I've incorporated those into my security system since I have an actual URL for the printer cameras now, which is good. And of course I've got the remote app on my phone so I can operate the printer and monitor the laser through the phone, which I would not do, and I don't recommend you do. You never want to be more than an arm's length or two away from your laser whenever a job's running. So don't use it for remote, please. That's where I'm at right now. I'm going to get back hard and heavy this week on the laser. I've got all of my parts here for the Holga Mods improved motorized Z-axis. I got to get a little bit of aluminum for that. Thanks Randy Smith for that. So I'm going to go through how I'm going to build and modify my Z-axis motorized bed to incorporate all of the room that I can possibly get in there. So I'll be doing that, and you'll be seeing that coming. So I'm back on the laser kick right now. Besides, since prints take so long, I can just let that run while I'm doing the lasers. One thing that I like the most about doing this is it gives me the network ability, so I can put this on my Ethernet and get rid of my USB problems I was having with it losing USB connection whenever my refrigerator would kick off. So, and no more long cords running around my messy shop. So anyway, I'll go into a little bit more on this part and probably do some more videos and maybe a couple tutorials on this after I get it all hammered out and working well. So check back with me. I'm going to get off here for now. Be sure to visit my page, techbravo.net/K40. There's links to my YouTube channel. Subscribe to it, please. Of course, if you're watching this, maybe you already are. There's a lot of good resources. Also, I've been working on everythinglasers.com. You need to go check that out, everythinglasers.com. There's all kinds of good stuff on there, and we have a growing member group and growing amount of articles and topics and stuff on that forum. So check it out. We'll catch you later. Tech Bravo out.